If you're seeing weird lines on your iPhone screen, horizontal, vertical, or flickering, don't panic. Here are 5 ways to fix it step by step. First of all, try force restarting your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This clears up temporary glitches causing display issues. And if you dropped your phone recently, look for any cracks, bends, or pressure spots on the screen. Even if it looks fine, internal damage can cause lines. In that case, you will need professional repair. After that, update your iOS. And for that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and check if an update is available. Sometimes screen bugs are fixed in the latest version. Next, try resetting all settings. This won't delete your data, but it resets your system settings. And for that, go back to the General Settings menu, then scroll all the way down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and go to Reset and choose Reset All Settings from the options. It's good for fixing software conflicts affecting your display. After that, restore via recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer, then put it into recovery mode. Press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button. On your Mac or PC, choose Update to reinstall iOS without deleting data. And if the lines stay after trying everything, it might be a faulty display or logic board. Book an appointment with Apple support or an authorized repair center. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.